Hello buddies, now Garche Mitra, grade 7 from Primbats Garden School. Today's Karmayogi Appa message. Symptoms of self-discovery, irritation, unwillingness to give up the present faculty, joy of energy, sign of sense of discovery, joy of expansiveness, joy of discovery, conscious awareness, crossing the border. Thank you, bye.
Hi guys, I'm your buddy. In this show we are going to see the answer for the buddies Kural post. Let's start the show. Apparently I didn't finish saying what I had to in yesterday's post, so the toddler's voice took over to remind all of us that it is absolutely okay to go at our own pace in whatever we want to do in life. I have had the honor of observing and relishing Saravalli's growth. Let's take the example of how she learned to talk. She has been observing our lips move, the sounds we make and how others react for each sound. She kept observing for many months before she slowly realized that she can make sounds too and people around her respond to it with a lot of glee. She got adventurous and started exploring more. She started moving from monosyllables to two syllables but was still not very clear. She had to repeat herself many times, and when I still didn't understand, she went ahead with actions and mimicking. Slowly, very slowly, her words made sense to me. Some days she would stop saying the word that she used to and forgot them for days together and suddenly remember them. Slowly but very steadily she has started to build up her vocabulary and becoming clearer with her communication now. She is able to say two words together but still in her language, Miss Halai. This is her journey. Do you see the back and forth? Not once she decided to stop trying. Not once she shamed herself for not speaking clearly from birth. Maybe because she doesn't have a huge ego and doesn't have a social media account, she still doesn't see herself as a failure. She is excited and celebrates every new word she says. Let us draw parallel with our parenting journey. We first need to become observant of our triggers. Slowly and very gradually is when we can begin to take action about our trigger, and learning better coping mechanisms is not a linear process. It is a very chaotic, non-linear learning curve with so many ups, downs, back, forth. Just like the many times a child falls and gets up before one day they begin to walk a few steady independent steps. On the days you feel disheartened, remember that the syllabus of parenting is also constantly changing. Before we get a hang of toddlerhood, they are in their pre-teens and adolescence. Thank you, buddies.
Hi, hello buddies. I'm Ajit Dikshit of grade 5B from Primbats Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Aurobindo. Only the self that builds this figure to self can raise the fixed interminable line that join these changing names. These numberless leaves, these new obvious personalities and kids still lurking in our conscious acts. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, hello buddies. I'm Yadhirita, grade 9 from Primbats Garden School. Tomorrow's special Earth Day was founded in 1970 as the Day of Education about environmental issues, and Earth Day of 2024 will occur on Monday, April 2022. The day is now a global celebration that sometimes extends into Earth Week, a full 7 days of event focused on green living and confronting the climate crisis. The brainchild of Sir Gay Lord Nelson and inspired by the protest of 1960s. Earth Day began as a national touch in on the environment and was held on April 2022 to maximize the number of students that could be reached on university campuses. By raising public awareness of pollution, Nelson hoped to bring environmental causes into the national spotlight. Thank you. Bye.